Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is RX Tutorials. In this video, we are going to introduce our Python data visualization video series. So what do you expect? What are you going to expect from this course? Or are you going to achieve from enrolling or studying or coding along with us? In this video series, we are going to first of all start with setting up Python 3. We are going to install the Anaconda package. And then in the Anaconda package, we are going to use the official graphic user interface for the Python programming. That is the Jupyter notebook into code. And then our visualization is going to start. We are going to start first of all with creating the charts first of all creating a bar chart. Then we are going to create a stacked bar chart. We use the group bar chart and the line chart. Then we'll do all the basic charts, that is a scatter plot, histogram, a bubble chart, a pie chart, a donut chart, a tree map, and a funnel chart. You are going to acquire the skills to manipulate data using the Pandas Data frame and also NumPy. We are going to acquire the new skills in Python language to visualize data. They say that a picture says a lot of things. So how are we going to manipulate the data so that's going to suit what we want to visualize in the Python programming? So that is all that you are going to learn. A lot of things you're going to learn. And in the part 2 of this video series, we are going to build a dashboard using the Dash library. We are going to build a 3 or 4 interactive projects, and then this project we are going to start with Dash Basics for dashboards. In the Dash Basics for dashboard, we are going to show you the interface of the Dash and then how dashboards are created in Dash. In the second part, we are also going to the advanced Dash topics, and then we are going to treat real-world hands-on project-based dashboards. Yes, that is what you get from subscribing to RX Tutorials. All this is for free. So make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. You are going to code along with me, acquire new coding skills. And then we are going to provide help in this video series. First of all, you can leave a comment or questions at the comment section. You can also send us a message via our official email through Gmail. And then we have to know that all our source codes, resources, the lecture notes you are going to be provided is going to be free. Yes, you heard, everything is free. You are getting all this for free. Just subscribe to RX Tutorials on YouTube, and then you are going to get all the source codes on GitHub. We are going to put all our source codes on GitHub so that you can download all our resources, and our lecture materials will be downloadable for free. So you heard it right, it's free. And then you just have to subscribe. You just have to subscribe to RX Tutorials on YouTube, and then you like the video as well. You can share the video to a whole lot of people so that they can also acquire these skills. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and code along with me. It's very important. Code along with me. Practice makes you perfect. You have to code every single day. Practice every single day. So that is what you are going to get. Take care and be good. Bye.